Good day traders, welcome back to my channel. So today I flipped a $500 account to over $1,700 trading supply and demand. Okay, so I want to show you guys how I was able to achieve this trading with supply and demand. Alright, so let me show you. So this is the trade. Alright, so this is the first entry here, this is the second entry, and then this is my third entry. Alright, so let me take you guys to the trading view to show you the analysis. So this is the analysis. Alright, so let me delete it and then let me explain again for you guys. Okay, so if you have been following me for some time now, you know that what I trade on supply and demand. So supply and demand is my strategy. Okay, so let's start. So from here we can see that what BTC USD has been in an uptrend. Okay, so let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let me explain better. So now if we look at BTC USD from here, the market has been selling. Okay, the market has been selling, right? So we can see this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, this lower high here, and then this lower low. Okay, and then from here we can see that what the market shifted structure at this point to a bullish trend. Okay, so at this point here the market shifted to bullish. So let me write that out. So here we had the what? The break of structure to a bullish trend. Okay, so whenever we see this, what we need to do now, we need to follow up the new trend and then we'll continue going up. Okay, so this break of structure happened from this demand zone here. So we can see this demand zone here. So market came back to this demand zone and then it did what? It started forming a bullish trend again. And then here we also have another higher high. Okay, so whenever we see this, we know that what the market is bullish, and then we need to what? Look for a demand zone to buy. So at this point, the market did not pull back to this demand. So this is the last candle we have here for this massive up. Yeah, but the market failed to pull back here. Okay, and then it did what? It created a new higher high at this point. Okay, so after seeing our new higher high here again, so what we need to do now, we need to trade from the demand zone. So looking at this point here, this area here had already been filled. This demand zone has already been filled. So the only demand zone we have here is this one. We can see this last indecision candle before the massive push to the upside. So this is our demand zone. Alright, so this is the demand zone we have here. This is our demand zone we are having. So this is the demand zone that caused the break of structure to the upside, has confirmed that well, this market is still bullish. So when the market pulls back here, this is like an inducement. So many traders may be trying to buy from here, but no, this is the demand zone where we have the imbalance. So if you have been following me, you understand what is imbalance. Imbalance is the space in between this candle and the next one. So this imbalance here has been filled already. Alright, and this is the only demand zone we have at this moment. So I got my entry from here, the 1 hour's time frame. So this is the first entry. This is the first entry here. Okay. Stop loss below. And then our take profit is supposed to be at this high. Okay. So this is the first entry. So I entered here, which is this candle here. So this is the first entry. And then the second entry I entered here also after the market started going up. And then my third entry I entered at this zone here, this demand zone here. Okay. So this is the trade currently running over $1,300 right now, trading supply and demand. Okay. So this strategy is very, very simple and very, very easy. All right. So now our trade is running over $1,800 right now, from $500 trading with supply and demand. I still expect this trade to go up to this high, but I'm closing right now because this is a flipping account. Okay. So let's close our trade now. Boom. So guys, we have successfully closed our trade at 1,878.57 USD from $500. So we made a profit of 1.3. Okay. So and then the trade is still running. This is about 1:5, 1:6 already. Alright. And then if you want to get my trades, I have a Telegram where I do post my trades daily. So the link will be on the description. I'll drop it there so you can join and start trading and making money with me daily. Alright. So if this is your first time watching this channel, I'd like you to smash the subscribe button and then comment. Okay. See you guys on my next video. Thanks.